India has long been a land of extraordinary wonders, breathtaking heritage sites, and remarkable artistic masterpieces. For centuries, these marvels have attracted travelers and explorers from around the world. However, India's architectural and artistic brilliance is not limited to famous landmarks like Taj Mahal. In today's video, we will uncover some of India's hidden historical treasures, places that have fascinated the world with their exceptional craftsmanship and enduring mysteries. Despite these immense historical and cultural significance, many of these incredible sites remain largely unknown to the public. One hidden tourist destination that truly stands out is Khajuraho, world famous for its extraordinary temple architecture. In this video, we'll explore two fascinating aspects of these temples, their incredible architecture and philosophy behind them. The Khajuraho temples were built in Nagar style between 19th and 11th century, when it was the most popular temple architecture in North India. What makes these temples so amazing is that they were built without cement. Instead, massive stone blocks were joined using an interlocking technique. Even after more than 1,000 years, they still stand strong. Another remarkable feature is their intelligent design, the Garbhagriha, that remains dark, but at sunrise the first ray of sun falls directly on the deity. Considering the time in which these temples were built, this is an extraordinary architecture achievement. The temples are also incredibly tall, even though they were constructed without modern machines, using only human skill and craftsmanship. Now let's look at deeper meaning. The outer walls are covered with beautiful sculptures, including famous erotic carving. They also, despite everyday life, tradition, music, dance in different sections of Indian society from 10th to 20th century. Each sculpture is a masterpiece, and together they form the greatest examples of stone carving in the world. Many people wonder why these sculptures were created. Some historians believe they reflect a more open society of that time. Others suggest that they encourage people to embrace family life when many were choosing monk life because of influence of Buddhism and Jainism. Another interpretation comes from Hindu philosophy, which teaches the four goals of life: dharma, artha, kama and moksha. According to the view, the sculptures represent karma, kama, according to human desires, are natural and important part of life. If we look at the history of Khajuraho, these temples were built by the Chandela dynasty. The Chandelas were originally feudals of the Gurjar Pratihars, one of the first major Rajput dynasties in India during the 10th century. As the power of the Gurjar Pratihar ruler declined, the Chandelas established an independent kingdom and went on to build the magnificent temple of Khajuraho. Because of its exceptional architectural, historical, and cultural significance, Khajuraho has been designated as an UNESCO World Heritage Site. Today, it remains a peaceful destination. As you explore this remarkable place, you can take your time to admire and understand the architecture of these centuries old temples.